Emergency. It strikes without warning, turning an ordinary moment into a sudden crisis. Are you prepared? Preparedness isn't just about disaster drills and survival kits. It's about knowledge, the kind that can save lives. We're talking first aid, the immediate and temporary care given to an injured or ill person. Every second counts when someone is choking or when a fall results in a deep cut. The right response in these critical moments can mean the difference between life and death. Your home, office, even your local park are places where emergencies can happen. Being equipped with first aid skills isn't just a personal advantage, it's a responsibility we owe to those around us. So are you ready to be a lifesaver? Don't wait for the emergency sirens to sound. Learn first aid now and be the difference. Be the one who can say, I know what to do. Click the link in the description and arm yourself with the knowledge that can save a life. Remember, emergencies don't announce themselves. Be prepared, learn first aid now, save a life.